going on? Where are these bugs coming from? She's not very good at Ant Smasher. Get him, Dada. Oh, what did she do?
She broke it. There it goes. Here. Depth perception is not there.
She's like, I have an eye infection. Leave me alone.
Don't bite my finger. Yeah. She's like, they should be down on the bottom somewhere. Where are they going? They're going to attack me.
She doesn't understand
Let's
it.
see if I can find something a cat